Alright everybody, RJ Stewart here. Today we're going to walk through a simple automation in about 4 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to have a client fill out this form, or a prospect fill out this form, click the submit button, and after they click the submit button, it's going to trigger an automation that's going to send them an email, you an email, and tag them. Alright, so let's get to it. First, we're going to go over to the form. We're going to add a new flow, a trigger a flow. We have a few, but we're going to create a new one. After we create that flow, what's going to happen is that's the start of the flow right there. At the bottom is the end of the flow. When the flow ends, everything stops. All right, so we're going to fill in between. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to contact us because we want to be notified when they fill out the form. So I'm going to put it to my demo account because, yeah, I'm going to put it to my demo account. So when they fill out the form, first thing that's going to happen is my demo account's going to get notified. Now let's move that out of the way. Then we want to tag them. That way we can better find out where they are, what they're doing. We could categorize them. So I'm just going to put in new lead. Make it simple, right? So let's save that. All right. Now after let's move that out of the way too. So we have those four. Let's clear them out of the way. I'll show you what we do with them afterward. After that, what we want to do is we want to send an email to them. We could send the SMS or send the opt-in status, but let's do an email. Let's drop that right in there. All right. So for the subject, we'll fill out a quick subject. Something easy like thanks for submitting or signing up, something like that. But then we want to personalize it. So I'll put a comma and then we'll choose contact and then we'll put first name and it'll automatically grab their first name from that form and populate it. So you have some level of personal in there. And the sender name, we'll just go with Alcif Ember support desk. That works. All right, you have a couple more options in there we won't bother with right now. The advanced section, if you want to CC or blind CC, reply to email or anything like that, that's where you'll find that in. We won't mess with that today. Now let's go into editing a quick email. You have the text editor and then you have the visual email builder. We'll use the visual email builder, which is pretty much just drag and drop, So we'll thank them for filling out the form and change a little bit of the settings on here, like the font, the boldness, anything like that. You could mess with all of these up. I missed it. Let's highlight it first and then let's change it. Let's go with 18. There we go. Thanks for filling out our test form. All right, you could change colors and stuff. Let's add a row real quick, a double row. And let's throw in a picture, an image. All right, we'll throw in the image on the left side. Click the browse button. Quickly upload the image real quick. All right, just like that. Let's insert it in there. Too easy. All right, now let's throw some text in there. Let's just throw in some text real quick. All right, and then let's fill in that text box. Now that you signed up, we're super excited to get to know more about you. And I think that'll work. All right. So now that's the email. Real quick email. You could do way more stuff with it, but just for this demonstration, real quick. All right. So now let's connect all the steps in the order we want it. First, it's going to contact us. Then it's going to tag them. Then it's going to shoot us the email, and then it's going to break the flow. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, later.